Wearing a mask. Well, we all do it, don't we? We always give the world our best side, the way that we want the world to see us. Sometimes we can call it wearing a mask, masking, or just pretending. Just pretending that you're feeling okay when actually inside you're not feeling okay. But peeling back that mask and revealing your true self, well, that takes a bit of courage and it takes support. Why would you want to do it? Why would you want to find out what you're really like? Well, it's finding out what you want. That's part of it. It's deeper connection with your inner self, your true self, who you are, what you want, what feels good for you in life. Well, we all mask. We all put on a mask when we're feeling difficult emotions or things that we can't cope with right away. So we put it in a box and we pretend everything's all right. We put on a brave face, and this is particularly difficult when we're at work colleagues. We might come across as confident, but inside we are breaking. We are feeling that tension. It's really hard at work. Sometimes we'll call it masking, or we could call it a cloak of confidence. Well, I'm just putting on my confidence cloak so that I feel strong. But actually, what's it doing for you in the long term? Maybe you've been doing it for so many years, for so many people, you've forgotten who you are, which is why I love retreats. You knew I was going to say that. I absolutely love retreats because you've got a chance to find out who you are in a safe space. Like-minded people going through the same stuff who are going to support you. But it's not just about you, it's about the whole atmosphere. Creating that safe space so you can go and chat about whatever you want. And on a retreat, a Pilates retreat, you'll do daily Pilates. So not only will you reconnect with yourself mentally, but also physically. You're going to come back really strong. Guided meditations are the way that we start the day. Amazing food, fantastic venues, 5-star venues, and that wonderful opportunity to just get away from the everyday and find out what you want in life. So if you're interested in joining me on a Pilates retreat, click the link and find out more.